What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we want to take a look at this picture right here, this LIL UZI VERT picture. You sent it to me, you requested to recreate this look for you guys. He probably posted in his story or something like that, this really red and grainy look, and I will show you how to recreate this look with your pictures using only the smartphone and the free Lightroom app today. Now, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website, the link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170 presets, now even over 200 presets that I made for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures. So make sure to check that out, because the cool thing about this all presets pack is that it doesn't only include this preset and the 200 presets, but every preset that I will be doing in the future on this channel will be included in the pack. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything else you need, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm replying to every single one of your DMs. So really feel free to get in touch with me there. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always excited to hear from you guys. Now, said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we scroll over to the app, open it up right here, and now I've chosen this picture of LIL UZI VERT, again, probably taken with a mobile phone, a selfie. And then what we want to do in the lights tab is just boost up the contrast to +32 right here, pull down the highlights to -39 or 40, and pull down the shadows as well to -56 right here, and the whites down to -37 or 36, and the blacks down as well to -44 right here. Then we're done with the lights. We go over to the color. We just want to boost up the temperature to +21, boost up the tint as well to +30, and pull down the saturation a little bit to -30 right here. Then we scroll up, hit grading on top here, and what you want to do for the shadows is boost the hue to 30 and the saturation to about 35. And now we want to scroll over to the midtones here, the hue all the way up to 310, and the saturation just really slightly to around 46, so not really slightly, but actually a lot, to 46. And then the highlights here, the hue to 12, and the saturation, now in this case, all the way to 89, so almost all the way right there. And we are done with the colors. We go over to the effects, and we already see that purple tone that we've created here. It's almost perfect. Now we want to create a little vignette, a dark circle around it, so we pull that down to -55 right here. And now, of course, the last thing we want to do is add grain, really hard grain, lots of grain, so we pull that up all the way to around 87 here. And now we want to raise the size all the way up to 100, and also the roughness up to 90, maybe 92 is good. And then we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this LIL UZI VERT picture that you've sent me. I hope you're happy with this tutorial. I hope this was what you were looking for. It's a really over-exaggerated artistic look, so it might not be for everyone, but for you guys who requested it, enjoy this edit. And of course, keep in mind, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time, or you just have troubles following along to the tutorial, you can download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 200 presets that I created for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures in that free Lightroom app. And of course, every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack, so you just have to get it once and you'll get all the new presets for free. You'll have a growing presets pack. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, any ideas, requests for new videos such as this one today, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for your love, the support to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.